Okay guys, in this tutorial, we'll be fixing the error. Your PC ran into the problems and needs to restart. And the error code is bad system config info. So if you're getting the error like this as a bad system config info, I'll be guiding you with the number of solutions in this tutorial. One of the other solutions will definitely help you. And in case it helps you, be sure to share this video with your friends and the family. Troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, again you have an advanced option. Inside advanced option, again you need to come back to the command prompt and then you're going to choose command prompt and click on it. So guys, you have to type all the commands correctly without any spelling mistake. Okay guys, I hope command is visible or you can watch it in a full screen. So you can see, even I've left the command in the pinned post, it's a comment section down below. bootrec.exe/rebuild bcd. And guys, you're going to press enter key. So this might take some time. Finally, once you're done, you're going to type the second command. Okay guys, this is the second command you need to type. bootrec.exe/fixmbr. Click on enter. Okay, now the third command and the last command that you need to type. bootrec.exe/fixboot. Fixboot. Press enter key. Some kinds of access denied. So sometimes you get the message like this. So type all these commands correctly, and maybe in your case access is not denied. In my case it's access denied. 2 commands work successfully. Third command access denied. So anyway, you're going to type all these 3 commands correctly, and then finally you just have to exit it. Exit the command prompt, turn off your PC, and then start your PC again. Or just directly, you're going to restart your computer. Troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, again you have an advanced option. Inside advanced option, again you need to come back to the command prompt and then you're going to choose command prompt and click on it. By default, you're going to see when you open the command prompt, it will be like x:/windows/system32. Now, you're going to choose the drive. Let's say I'm just going to type F:/ and enter key. Now I'm inside F drive. Why I'm inside F drive? Because I have all the program files, Windows system32 files in my F drive. I have all the files in my F drive. My operating system is installed in F drive. Let's say you have installed the operating system in C drive. So press C:/ and enter key. So if you have your operating system installed in a D drive, just press D:/ and enter key. So my operating system is in F drive, so I press F:/ and enter key. I'm inside F drive. If you are confused, if you do not know what you have your operating system installed, you can randomly type C and enter key, and you can just type dir and enter key. It will show you the list of files inside that drive. If you have a Windows file, program files in that drive, that means that is the correct drive you have chosen. If you guys are confused with the drive where you have installed the operating system, you're going to do that. So let me show you how. Currently, my operating system is in F drive. So I'm inside F drive. Let's say I'm confused whether have I selected a correct drive or maybe my operating system is in different drive. So I just going to type dir correctly, dir and enter key. Alright guys, you can see here I have a Windows program files, some recovery files, user, Windows 10 upgrade. That means All right, guys, let me show you. Okay, guys, here. So you can see when I'm here inside F drive, when I type dir and enter key, I have a Windows, I have a program files, recovery, users, and Windows 10, Windows 10 upgrade. That means I have selected a correct drive. So the drive which got all these kinds of files like program files, x86, Windows, Windows 10 upgrade, maybe some of the files less or more, but these files are very important. Program files, x86, Windows 10, Windows user. If you have all this directory in your drive, that means you are inside correct drive. All right, guys, let me proceed to the next step. So once you have selected your drive correctly, where you have installed your operating system, the next step is you're going to type cd space. Okay, guys, I hope the command is visible. So you're going to type cd space /windows /system32/config. All the commands you need to type correctly. Press enter key, and now you are inside F drive Windows System 32 config. So the next step, md backup. We are making a directory named backup, bskup. Press enter key. Copy. So this is the next step. Next command, asterisk dot asterisk backup. So if you're given some different name, you can see it's a backup directory. So we are copying the files to the backup directory. Copy asterisk star asterisk to the backup. Press enter key. Now you can see all the 11 files copied to the backup directory. So you can see successfully 11 files copied. So the next step, cd space regback. It's regback. cd space regback. Press enter key. Now you can see we are inside config. Now we are inside regback. Right over here, you're going to type dir and press enter key. Okay, guys, when you do that, you'll see all the value over here is 0. 0 default, 0 SAM, 0 security, 0 software, 0 system. So if the default value is SAM, security, software, if all the values is 0, so you're just gonna exit your command prompt right over here. Do not proceed, just go with the next step or the next fix. So this solution will only work if there are different value, some 3-digit, 6-digit or 8-digit, 9-digit value over here. Instead of 0, if there are 6-digit, 9-digit or 3-digit, some numeric value over here, instead of 0, then only proceed forward to the next step. Otherwise, exit the command prompt and then go forward to the next step to fix the problem. So let's say if you do not have a 0 like this and you have some different value, some numeric value, 6-digit, 8-digit, 9-digit, or some numeric value like this over here, instead of 0, then only you type these commands. So what you're going to type, guys, it's copy star dot star space dot dot and then press enter key. Now it can ask you for the permission. It can ask you for the permission whether you want to overwrite default value. So click on as no or all. So you're going to type S and then press enter key. Again, you're going to type S and press enter key. So you're going to overwrite all the value. So instead of going on one by one, if you like, you can go one by one, or you can just type all. So it will overwrite all the value. So you can see 5 files copied. Now you're gonna exit it and check it out. So exit the command prompt and check it out. Just turn off your computer and start it again, or restart your PC, and the problem should be fixed. Go to troubleshoot the command prompt. So in the very beginning, we'll type the small commands and press enter key in order to locate where exactly I have my operating system right now. So type bsod EDIT and press enter key. You're going to see over here, when I move the cursor on the top, it's a Windows boot manage. I do not see any device. It do not show my drive where exactly I have my operating system. And it do not even show the operating systems. Come down. Again, you have a Windows bootloader. Here you're going to see device partition Windows C, Windows 11. And here also OS device partition is C. So my operating system is Windows 11 and it is in the C drive. So your might be different from the C. Make a note of it. We need it later. This kind of error occurs because we are missing the boot files. So we are going to create the boot files into the drive where exactly we have our operating system. So whether it is C drive, E drive, Z drive, S drive, so whatever is your drive, you're going to replace that particular boot files over there. You're going to create that particular boot files over there into your drive where exactly you have the operating system part. And press enter key. So it's going to take a few minutes. Volume. So this will show the list of volume that you have in your system. So yeah, volume 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is C, D. So here, volume 2 and 3, you do not have a label over here. So FAT32 somethings, it's a hidden drive and it's a hidden drive. So a couple of drive you have over here. So we'll select So let me select volume 2. So this couple of volumes, this is a C drives where I have my operating systems. This is you can notice a 19 GB. So I know this is the drive where I was having my different files. And these two couple of drives, 100 MB and 499 MB. This is well exactly some kinds of system files or recovery. So let me check it. I'll go just, since we do not have a assigned letter over here, what we're going to do is, at first I'm just going to check these ones, volume 2. So I'll select volume 2. Volume 2 is a selected volume now. Next is, I'm going to assign letter, assign letter equals, so different from existing one. C and D is existing one. So I'll give a letter H. Okay, I'll give the letter P. Enter. Expert successfully assigned a drive letter or mount point. Now I'll exit from the disk part. So volume 2 is now P. So for the volume 2, I've given the letter P, like C and D, it is in the P drive now. Exit it. Now let me enter the P drive and let me type dir. So here we got EFI, but we do not have a boot files. So what we'll do, let me see if we have a boot files over there in the EFI. So we will get inside EFI and then we'll press type dir. So here we have a boot files. Even you got the Microsoft. So let me change the directory to Microsoft. And let me type dir. So here we got for boot files even inside the Microsoft. Now let me get inside the boot. Okay. Now I'll type the very simple commands. bsd boot C drive. Why C drive? Because I told you in the very beginning, in the very first step, before I begin with the first step, this is the second solution. The first solution was where we copied the boot files from the X drive. Now we are copying the boot files from the P drive. So in the very beginning, I told you to make a note where exactly you have the broken operating system, the existing operating system drive. So you're going to use that later in place of C. If yours is also C, you can use C. If yours is different from C, you're going to use that later. So do not do exactly what I'm using the later drive later over here. That is why I told you in the very beginning itself, make a note of it. Where exactly you have your operating systems, /L and ENUS. EN minus US and hit enter key. Sorry, I made a small mistake. bcd boot needs to be together. Press enter key. Boot file successfully created. So execute this couple of more commands. So boot file successfully created. So we'll execute this couple of more command. So there should not be the space. Boot file successfully created. Now we'll execute one more last commands. So I'm telling you again and again, replace this C with your drive where exactly you have your broken operating systems. I told you how do you figure out the drive in the very beginning of the video only, where exactly you have your operating system, broken operating systems, and even I told you to make a note of it. So use that particular drive later over here. So boot file successfully created. And click on exit and continue, and your Windows 11 or even Windows 10 operating systems must be working fine now. You must get out of the loop. Continue, and it needs to be working fine. You must be able to load your operating systems. So this was the few easy ways that you can fix these problems and you can load your operating systems. See, it needs to be working now. So finally, now you can log in into your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Go to troubleshoot. Let me restore. See, to use the system restore, you must specify which Windows installation to restore. Restart this computer and select an operating system and then select system restore. Click on close. When I click on troubleshoot, I have 6 different options over here. I'll click on a startup repair in the very beginning. So the PC will check for all the necessary repairs it can attempt. A startup repair could not repair your PC. Either I can shut down or advanced option. You're just going to choose. It's a troubleshoot. And here you have reset this PC. Let's click on that. Keep my files or remove everything. If you want to keep your personal file, choose the first option and enter. Okay guys, this will restart your PC, and after restarting, this is what you get. So it's gonna take some time to get ready, and finally you have this page. So reset this PC. Yeah, I currently have a multiple number of account. So you're gonna choose your account one you used to log in your PC. So if it is password protected, you have to enter the password and click on continue. If it is not password protected, just directly click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, this is what you get. Resetting this PC, getting the things ready. So give us some time and it will get all the things ready. Okay guys, now here it is. Once it gets ready, click on reset. This might take several minutes and we are all done. Your PC will be all the way ready to use. So finally, here is your PC all the way ready to use.